Your first grader is an awesome, eager, friendly, playful young child, and your first grader is ready to read. Really. You can help. Learning to read is like building a tower of blocks. First, children learn to say their ABCs. Then, they learn to recognize each letter until they can name all of them. As they are learning to name letters, they come to learn the sound for each one. A makes the sound in apple. B makes the sound in banana. C makes the sound in cup. Before long, they start putting two sounds together in words like go, so, and see. Then they master three sounds in words like cat, hat, Sam, and ham. Four sounds come next in words like that, green, stop. Then come sentences like, that Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. To help your first grader master the starting blocks of reading, GRPS supplies literacy kits to support reading at home with good books, fun activities, and lots of love. Reading at home is one of the best ways to support your child's learning at school. Each time you read a book together, you help your first grader learn important skills that add up to reading. All literacy kits will come home in a zippered pouch. In the first kit, you'll get a journal and a deck of 50 flashcards that you can keep and use for the semester. Each kit also contains 3 books to read and enjoy with your child every day. You and your child will complete 1 journal entry for each set of books. At the end of each semester, your child's teacher will review your journal entries. In each kit, you'll also get a card with directions for a fun learning activity to do with your child at home. When complete, you'll return the books and the activity card in the zippered pouch. Remember, you will keep the journal and the flashcards at home for the entire semester. Periodically, your first grader will exchange the current set of books and the activity card for a new literacy kit. It's simple. Read, exchange, repeat. Why is this important? Your child already has what it takes to become a good reader. First graders have brains that are ready to learn. First grade is an excellent time to make reading together a pleasant habit and not a chore. First graders learn best when they are happy and relaxed and feel loved. Love helps learning happen. No one can make your child feel loved like you can. You are a parent. Love is your superpower. Good reader. Pleasant habit. Happy, relaxed, loved. Ready to learn.